Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Yan, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And yes, don't forget to follow Perception of Light. Okay? And sa mga naghahanap po, nagtatanong ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po. No? Kay Kuya Dingsi kayo mag-message. Ito yung kanyang FB page. And yes, don't forget to follow Kuya Dingsi. Okay po? And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa ating mga Evil Eye item and granter. Okay, so unahin natin ang ating Evil Eye items. Okay, so this is the all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. Okay, available in red and black strings, adjustable, and meron siyang initial. Okay, so ito yung meron tayong initial ha sa bracelet. Oo, kasi dalawa yung bracelet nga natin. Okay, ito yung isa. This is garterize naman po. Okay, ito is na-adjust. Okay, pero yeah, pareho silang unisex. Okay, so itong ating adjustable, pwede po kung bata ang gagamit, sasabihin nyo po, sabihin nyo kung gaano kalaki yung wrist. Okay po, so yun po kung bata. Kasi ito talagang pang adult to. Okay? And syempre, ang ating Evil Eye necklace, yan. Ba't necklace? Ang ating Evil Eye ring. Tawang-tawa, di ba? Wait lang. Evil Eye ring. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable. Okay? So, no need to send, ng inyong mga size ng daliri. Okay? And syempre, ang ating Evil Eye necklace. So, ito si Evil Eye necklace. Okay? Non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. And syempre, meron siyang tawag dyan, extenders. So, diba? Nalulutang ko. I don't know why. So, yan. Extenders ng ating Evil Eye necklace. Okay? So, I don't know kung gusto nyong unisex to. Pwede naman. Oo, I think. Oo, I think so. Okay? So, madalas naman sa mga lalaki, nakatago yung kanila. Okay? Parang ganyan, nakatago sa loob ng damit. Oo. Okay. So, kung ipangreregalo, again, kung ibibigay, kailangan po ng name, okay, ng pagbibigyan at ng pagreregaluhan. Okay? And, okay, ang ating granter. So, ito si granter. Nasa ganitong box, kung inyong matatanggap. Okay? So, chain, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long. Flat po yan flat yung chain ni granter. Okay, flat. Magkaiba doon sa chain ni Evil Eye necklace. O, diba? Mali-mali. Okay. So, pagdating sa pendant po, acrylic po, parang siyang may glass. Yan, kung makikita nyo, yan, diba? Sa likod rin, ganun. Okay po. Okay, so kung inyong pangreregalo, yes, kailangan rin po ng name ng pagreregaluhan. And syempre, si granter is made to order. Okay, so mas maganda hanggat maaga. Oo. Every week, yan. Pagawa na kayo kung kayo i-order. Okay, kung gusto ninyo, pagawa na, tawag dyan, paggawa na agad kayo and pa-schedule, parang ganyan. No, kasi, kunyari, kasi every time sa Sabado po ang ating shipping, no? Sabado, kung di Sabado, Linggo, kung kailan available or makapunta yung rider dito. Ayan. So, kapag Friday na kayo, nako, tulad ngayon, 'di ba? Asikasuhin na ni admin bukas. Oo, yung ipapa-ship. 'di ba? Okay. So hindi na maihahabol. Pero ngayon kung order kayo, next week na po. Okay, next week na. Pero mapapagawa. Okay. So, again, kung may mga tanong pa, message lang po ha. 'Di ba ang haba ng intro? Opo. Kailangan po para hindi na po isa-isahin. Oo, sa message. No? Yung mga iba na lang na tanong ang pwedeng sabihin natin, ang sasagutin ni admin or ako. Sa PM. Okay? So, let's start your reading. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, this is all signs. Unahin natin si air sign. Okay. Two of chalices. Ano two of circles? Ano daw? Ano yun? Ba't ako nalulutang? Okay, two of chalices. Okay, what's that? The Ace of Swords Universe. Oh no. Meron tagong ugnayan dito with a water sign or with an air sign. Meron ditong tago. Yeah, the sun in reverse. Ano ite? Someone with a younger water sign. Oo. Bakit nakatago? Ace of Swords. Ano tong Ace of Swords? The Hangman. Okay, so maybe, kung hindi man ito nakatago, ito is parang sobrang tagal na, wala pa rin nangyayaring leveling up. Okay? Naghihintay na naghihintay. Oo, yan, naghihintay, nag-aabang, nangungwestiyon na, parang ganyan. Kasi parang sobrang tagal na, wala pa rin nangyayaring pag-status, like leveling up. Okay? Bakit kaya, no? May kanya-kanyang dahilan, actually. Okay, so next. Some of you, kung hindi nga po mabigyan ng label, there's sabihin nating a secret affair, or some of you, pwedeng secret affair yung inyo. Okay. Four of Swords in reversed. May mga pag-uusapan. May mga mag-uusap. Ten of Pentacles regarding money. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng may talakayan, no? Na pwedeng may pagkakagastusan. Opo, may pagkakagastusan. Ako nakikita rito, air signs. Okay. Merong mag-uusap-usap, relatives. Kasi someone is pregnant. Opo. Someone is pregnant. So, I don't know if this is like energy ng ang tawag dyan? Pamamanhikan, mga ganyan. Merong magsasabi ng totoo. Pwedeng may magagalit, ganyan. Kasi may preggy bells dahil maybe hindi pa rin dapat maging preggy, mga ganyan. So, Two of Pentacles. Okay. So, ano to? The Four of Wands. Okay. Some of you, renovation, ng bahay. Pwedeng mapending. Okay. Kasi, sabihin natin parang makukulangan sa budget. Oo. May lilipat. Oo. Parang may lilipat ng workplace or ng bahay. Ano tong Two of Pentacles? Yeah, the world. Okay. So, parang may tatapusin, may aalisan. Yeah. Some of you, I'm seeing here, an offer na pwedeng manirahan sa ibang bansa. Pero may pagdadalawang isip po. Okay, may pagdadalawang isip. Yes. Okay. Pwede may visa, something like that, na pwedeng hindi agad mabigay. No? Napepending. Parang ganon. Next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Message, please. Excuse me. Fire signs. Shuffle. Let's shuffle. Okay. Fire signs. The Knight of Wands in reversed. Someone is playing around. What's this? Knight of Wands in reverse. The Chariot in reverse. Someone wants to play around. Like, meron ditong player na magbabalik. Okay? May magbabalik na player, fire signs. Pwedeng Cancer, pwedeng fire sign like you. Pero open ka pa eh. Oo. Nakakuha ko dito ng may flirt na mangyayari. Open ka pa rin doon sa taong yon kahit alam mo namang player. What else? Star. What's with the star? Someone is attracted. Yeah, the devil. In reversed. Let's see. Ano itong the devil in reversed? Page of Wands in reverse. Alisan ang mga toxic. Okay? Yung mga toxic, magbibigay lang sa'yo ng delay. So, some of you, gustong-gusto kang dikitan ng mga energy vampires. Bakit? Ang dami mong energy, ang dami mong goals, ang dami mong plans. Okay? So, yung mga energy vampire, lalapit yan sa'yo. Pag alis niyan, drain ka na. Okay? Be careful. Oo. Some of you, hindi mo kailangan sabihin lahat ng plano mo, goals mo. Okay? Kasi baka masabotahe ng mga energy vampire na yan. Okay. Some of you, kailangan yung piliin yung mga kaibigan nyo, ha? Okay? Dahil hindi lahat ng kaibigan mo is good influence. Okay, next. Temperance. Okay, ang dami mo namang major arcana dito. The Star, Temperance, Devil, Chariot. What's with the Temperance universe, please? The Five of Pentacles. Be careful pagdating sa pera. Okay? Oo, it's like isang pitik mawawala. Okay, nandito yung parang may pagmamadali eh. Let's see ano tong Temperance. In reversed. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Pwedeng maloko ka dito, ha? Be careful. Kung ano man ito. Yeah. Kung titingnan mo, this is like good to be too good to be true. Mga ganyan. Inaasahan mo. Pero, andito yung mamaya, ibablock ka na. Kung sino man yan. Pag-iisipin ka na. Parang ganyan. May mga naiinggit sa'yo, may mga taong talagang hihilahin ka pababa. Dahil, nabibitter sila eh, sa kung anong meron ka. Okay? So, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Let's shuffle. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong message for you? One more. Okay. Water signs. Death in reversed. What's that? That's Scorpio energy. Five of Wands. Mayroon na naman po problemahin dito. Ano na naman to? Ano tong Five of Wands? The Three of Pentacles in reversed. Ay, naku. Paulit-ulit to. Asahan nyo kung ano man to. May energy na talagang maninira at maninira or sisirain, magkokos ng drama, anything from the past. Death in reversed. What's with that? The Six of Wands. Ay, nako. Okay. So, etong mga to, some of you po, water signs. Dati, sinusunod mo tong mga to eh. Pero ngayon, parang tinatanggihan mo na. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Nire-reject mo na. So, that is why, nandyan lang sila sa paligid-ligid. Okay, always wanting na mag-cause or magkaroon ng drama, no? Sa kung ano mang sitwasyon meron ka. Gagawa at gagawa ng drama, gagawa at gagawa ng ah, ikakasira ng focus mo. Be careful. Bakit? Kasi nabubisit sila, hindi mo na sila sinusunod. Okay? Meron ka ng planong iyo. Hindi ka na nila nakokontrol. Nakakainis yun. Inisin mo pa. Oo. Water signs. What else? The Hermit. What's that? The Seven of Swords. Ano to? Tagong-tago naman to. The Hermit, the Seven of Swords, the Nine of Wands pa, isa pang nagtatago. Meron ditong tagong communication. Tagong usapan. Lihim na usapan. What's this? Meron ditong pwedeng tataguan ka or tataguan mo. Pwedeng Virgo and air sign. Meron ditong naghahanap ng katotohanan. May naghahanap dito ng kasagutan. Ano tong Hermit? Yeah, the Three of Swords. Something na nagbibigay ng pain. Okay? 7 plus 10. Some of you, may nangyaring separation dito. Still maybe looking for closure. Okay? Looking for an answer. Mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. Communication. Yes. Meron ditong parang chat ng chat. Tawag ng tawag, message ng message, pero hindi sinasagot. Yeah, parang living on red. Parang ganyan. Okay? Kung sino man yan, hindi ko rin naman yan papansinin or pwedeng may mangyaring ganyan. Okay, yeah. The Hanged Man. Parang hindi ka nga papansinin. Hahayaan ka lang. Some of you gusto lang talaga nito makipaghiwalay sa'yo. May tao ditong para magiging cold at detached. Talagang gusto nilang nila makipaghiwalay or umalis. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Okay, so yeah, may mga magagalit na naman dyan. Sabihin man, ba't gano'n? Laging kinakat sa water sign. Malay ko ba kung may kakatok? Ha? Oo. Ayokong may mga pinaghihintay. Pinaghintay ko na nga eh, di ba? Oh, water signs. What else? Kala mo naman natitigil ng 100 oras eh, no? Oo, napopost lang naman ng kaunti pero tuloy-tuloy rin naman. Makareact eh. Okay. Pag ako nag-react. Okay, so let's see what else for water signs. Oh, the Ace of Pentacles. Energy ng money. Abundance. Okay, some of you, this is a new beginning. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. What's with that? Some of you, that's an offer. Page of Wands Universe. Okay, I think this is talking about pagbibusiness. Okay? The King of Pentacles is here. Some of you, pwedeng merong mangyaring offer pagdating sa workplace. Yeah, there's an offer. Page of Pentacles. Okay? I don't know kung tatanggapin mo to. Some of you, pwedeng i-reject mo to eh. The Page of Wands Universe. Why? Ano na naman yan? What's with the Page of Wands Universe? The Devil. Oh no. Enough. Oo. The Tower. Enough. Oh, enough with the negativities. Okay? Enough. Oportunidad, oh. The Ace of Chalices pa. Enough. The Justice. May mga pirmahan na ditong pwedeng mangyari. Iwasan mo lang mag-overthink, no? Tsaka ka lang mag-overthink kapag nandiyan ka na sa position. Okay? Pag nandiyan ka na sa sitwasyon. Oo. Oo, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng oportunidad. Okay? Ay, nako. Some of you, this is marriage. Okay? Energy ng marriage. Okay. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. Aha. Earth signs. Anong meron? Anong message for earth signs? Okay, the Three of Chalices. So, energy ng meetups, ng get-together, okay, like occasions, getting out with your friends, going out with your friends. Ganyan. Okay, Three of Chalices. Some of you, this is an energy of reconciliation. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Okay. Uh-huh. Woohoo. Some of you, there's a water sign na gusto makipag-reconcile pero they're not saying it. Okay? Hindi nila sinasabi yun. Pwedeng sa action mo, makikita sa action mo, makukuha yung mga sinyales, oo, na gusto niyang makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng meron kang iba-block na friend mo. I don't know why. Okay, why? Why the Eight of Wands in reverse? The World in reverse. So, pwedeng meron ditong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? Kung iba sa inyo, may mga kaibigan kayong BI. Ano po yung BI? Bad influence. Okay? Pag may mga ganyan kayong friend, may chance na meron kayong iba-block. Or may kailangan kayong i-block. Or tigilan na ang pakikipag-connect sa kanila. Okay, what else for earth signs? Justice in reversed. Some of you, may mga GC rito na hindi ka kasali. Pinag-uusapan ka nila dun. Okay. Justice in reversed. Page of Pentacles. Be careful. Six of Pentacles is here in reversed. Justice in reverse. Ito yung mga gumagawa ng hindi tama. Okay? Be careful sa online, like online transaction, may mga ganyan. Something na pwedeng hindi maging okay, hindi ma-approve, hindi makuha. Okay? It's like babalikan mo pa, gagawin mo ulit. Okay? Pero yeah, specific, be careful with scammers. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, the Two of Wands in reverse. Be careful pagdating sa pamemera po, ha? Pagdating sa pera. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Someone is not being fair. Meron dito nagsisinungaling. Okay? Pwedeng kapamilya mo. Someone is like, sabihin nating selfish. Kausap ka, pero may something na itinatago sa'yo. Meron silang hindi sinasabing tama or hindi totoo. Why? Yeah, the Magician. I don't know. Some of you, talagang iniintindi mo lang to. Alam mong may ginagawang mali. Okay, Libra and Earth sign, like you. So, what else for Earth signs? The Three of Swords. What's that? The Knight of Swords. Something will come to an end. Okay? Pero na-avoid. Like, meron ditong magagalit. I'm seeing here drama. I'm seeing here quarrel. Arguments. Hindi pagkakaintindihan. What's with the Three of Swords? Yeah, the Hermit. The Four of Wands in reversed. Someone is planning to make a revenge in the near future. An air sign, Virgo. Okay? Be careful sa paggawa ng isang decision, lalo na kung minadali. Wag kayong gagawa ng isang decision na parang mamadaliin nyo. Okay? Ang nakuha ko dyan is unstable na result. Okay, babalikan nyo uli yan. Magsisimula ulit kayo. Kung ready ka magsimula muli, if this is just taking a risk, okay, go. Pero kung wala lang, like, hindi mo lang talaga pinag-isipan, so masasabi ko rito na napaka-unstable na magiging result. Okay? Some of you may chance na makapagbayad na sa mga kailangang bayaran. Okay? So there. Someone is hurt, like feeling the pain. I don't know kung ano yun. Meron ditong hindi pa rin healed or hindi pa rin naka-move on from you. Air sign and Cancer. They're still like feeling stuck pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.